Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to No.7. Hey, how everyone is doing? I hope your week's been blessed. So my week's been up and down, but guess what? I'm blessed. This look I have achieved is from the No.7 makeup line that Walgreens has. And it's some hit and misses, and I will let you guys know that after the video. But this is the look that I did achieve with No.7 using only No.7 products. And let me let you know from the beginning of this, I forgot I didn't get a setting spray, so I couldn't set it. This makeup look, I didn't get a highlighter. I didn't see it. And the eyebrow pencil, I didn't see either. So the only thing that's on my face that's not No.7 is my eyebrows. But everything else is No.7. I highlighted. You'll see how I came with a little highlight, my cupid's bow, my nose, and all that in the video. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look using No.7 products, continue to watch. And don't forget, after the video, if you like it, hit that like button. More importantly, subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell to notify you when I do upload my videos. So let's go into this video. Sorry about the noise in the background, but my beauty station is right by my bedroom, was inside my bedroom. But yeah, so what I did show you guys previously the haul I did, and I will link that in the description. So what I did, I swatched No.7 makeup products. So here we go. This is the Lift Illumination Triple Action Serum Foundation, which this color, again, is Toffee. This is Toffee. Okay. Then I swatched the No.7 Airbrush Tinted Corrector Perfector. I'm sorry. The Airbrush Tinted Skin Perfector. This color is in dark. And can you guys see this? And you see I don't know if you can tell the texture is like mud. I don't know what it is. Wait, and I pick it up. Fine, baby. I also swatched the walnut and chestnut, and this is the walnut. That's the chestnut, and this is the Match Made. These are, I don't know, they're just light, so I didn't swatch it. I mean, I can for you guys right now. Can it be a concealer? I don't know. I really don't care too much about the consistency of these products, the texture of them. What else? It was something else I did. Oh, this is the 2 concealer. This is 50, which is, there's no color, just say number 50, and this is number 30. Okay, so let me go back. Number 50, number 30. This color here is Latte, so it's very light. So most likely I will be using this on my lighter clients or my give it away. So yeah, let's get into the video now. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and use this NYX base eyeshadow primer and start with my eyes. Excuse my nails, they're not done. I just soaked them off. So I'm gonna start with the palette from No.7 and Smoke. Take my Morphe to 505, and I'm gonna start with this color right here for a transition color. I'm gonna take my Jeffree Star brush and go into this blue color and start building my crease. I'm gonna go into this lilac color here and put that on my lid. This is the Jeffree Star packing brush. I'm gonna take this It brush. Yes. I'm gonna take that silver and put that in the corner of my eye. So now I'm going to go with the Stay Perfect No.7 liquid eyeliner in, again, dark chocolate. Now I'm going to go to the bottom lash line and smoke that out with this blue. I'm going to go back in with that silver. Matter of fact, I'm going to use this darkened silver first. It's not really a lot of fallout. For mascara, I'm going to go on my bottom lashes with this lash extender. This is in black. They got before and after pictures. How it looks. Now for my top lashes, I'm going with the Lash Impact Ultra. And this is in black. This is nice. I like the way this looks nice. This is pretty. I like the way this looks. Excuse the noise. You know, Glam Baby is right here. So now I'm going to go with the Airbrush Away Primer. This also says flawless in seconds. Hypoallergenic. That's how this looks. This is how it looks. Remind me of a lotion. It smells really good. It is a perfume smell, which is, to me, it's not bad. So I decided to go ahead and use the Lip Illuminating Triple Action Serum Foundation. And this is in Toffee. This is the color. It might be a little bit dark on me. I don't know. But we're going to see. I did a pump and a half. I don't know. It looks like my color, right? So I'm going to go in with the number 50 of the Radiant Glow Under Eye Concealer. So now I'm going to set the areas that I highlighted, and this is the Translucent Perfect Light Powder. It's a loose powder by No.7. So now I'm going to dust all that powder off. I'm going to use my It brush to get all the powder off. Okay, I'm going to this No.7 Air Brush Away Tinted Skin Perfector and contour with that. When I showed you guys earlier, where is it? I'll find in a minute. Their bronzer is a little light for me. This it right here, yeah, the bronzer, the caramel bronzer. And to me, looks it's my skin complexion or even lighter. Let's see. Oh, see that? I don't know, guys. I don't know. It's like a mousse or something. Do it give me a contour? I'm going to set that bronzer using this caramel color just to have a powder on it. Use my Rebellion brush from Real Technique. Just to coat that and kind of set that contour a little bit on my nose. And as you can see, I'm using my finger to apply this product. To me, it's much easier to use my fingers. Okay, I did not see a highlighter for number 7. Sharpen up my contour again with this powder. I'm gonna do my lips, and I decided to use Courage and also Freedom.
I'm ready.
You ready? I'm almost finished my tutorial. There go my son. My son said, hey, you gotta go to work. Make sure the towel stuff done. I'm almost finished.
It's so beautiful. Oh, Mama. Mommy, you find years. This is deer. Mommy, this is how this deer.
It's your move, baby. I'm trying to finish. So I'm gonna dust this powder off. I'm going to the blush, and this blush is Apricot Blossom. Use my Real Technique brush. Okay, guys, so this is the finished look. I'm gonna come back and let you see me with my earrings and all of that. See you soon. So you guys, I used the eyeshadow, that gray color to highlight my Cupid's bow and everything. And I did not get a setting spray with it. I wanted to do a wear test on one of the products, and I guess that, you know, to give it a fair shot, I will have to use their spray, setting spray, which I do have setting sprays from drugstore to high end, but to give you the full effect of the number 7 and the wear on it, I feel that I would want the setting spray. So I will not be doing a wear test. I feel that it's some hits and some miss. Of course, the mascara, I love it. Their lipstick is great. Their blush is nice. The eyeshadow, the smokiness of it, to me was not enough colors in the palette, but I did create this smoky eye. I'm using it. It was a little bit hard to blend, but darker colors are hard to blend. That's why you start off small and you blend them. I see I still have a little harsh lines I can go over. And sometimes it's be your application of things also. So I always try to give products 2 or 3 chances. But in all, I think that the look came out pretty good with it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button. More importantly, subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell so I can notify you when I upload videos. So until we see each other again, no grandma, glamma.